Share with you one of the amazing tools that will help you drive traffic from Pinterest, and everything is automated. All you have to do is you set up the software and you leave it running 24/7 on your computer or like VPS or ADV. It doesn't matter. As long as you leave the software running 24/7, you will be able to get the crazy results. So let's go to one of the test accounts I've been using like for a year now. And let's go to analytics. Let's refresh so you don't think I'm cooking the numbers. And let's jump back when I started using the software to March 21st to today's date. Okay, why not? And boom, look at this. 20 million impression, my pins, almost like 800 engagement, 800k, and we have 11 million audience and almost like 600k engaged audience. And look at this in clicks and saves. Look at this, like it's Pinflux. Look how many people like you just click on the pins and you can drive traffic. So it's like 650k click, like almost like half million visitor to your store, to your Facebook page, or like doesn't matter, your landing page. And you just say like 1% of those buy a product from you or buy a service or just like have ads. That's a lot, man. So how you can get these results is very simple. All you have to do is you need this software. It's called and Pinflux agency. As you see, you have one of my accounts here, just like a test, like a demo for you guys. And when you install the software, it will prompt you have to log in, like you have to add the account, new account here. You have to type your email, password, and a proxy if you have one. And the most important thing is you have to transfer or convert your account from personal to business. I can make a video if you are interested. Just let me know in the comments. So after you sign in and you add your account, the software will prompt you to create a board. How you can do that? You just go to Pinterest, create a board, like a board name, description, and submit, or create a board, doesn't matter. As long as you add the board, it will work. Then it will prompt you to set up something here on pin. Just ignore it, write anything you like here, doesn't matter, because we won't use pin. Why? Because it's not recommended. You will get copyright strike if you use the pin. What you have to use is the upload version. So we have pin and we have upload. So pin is you will be using the pins that are already published on Pinterest, and this will get you copyright strike. I don't recommend using this. What I recommend is use upload. So you go to upload and go to settings. You enable this option, you enable this one, and other I suggest that you go with the 15, and other you go for 30, which means this software will share one picture between 15 and half hour, and this will avoid the spam. Pinterest won't ban your account because of spamming, so don't go too much, don't share like one picture every minute. This will ban your account. And here you post a description, could be like an ad, could be like a title of an article, a blog, doesn't matter. And here link of your landing page, could be a store, post, something like that. And the most important thing is that 90% of your work should be focused on here, the images. I highly recommend that you look for a unique pictures. I can give you those pictures for free. All you have to do, just let me know in the comments like you are interested. I can give you a link with all those pictures, and I'm working, like I'm trying to upload more pictures to my boys. So you need pictures. You can use those pictures if you want. So you select the pictures that you like and you see that are relevant to your niche, to your blog, to your article, to your landing page, and you hit OK or open and save settings. Automatically the pictures will go to the pending images and they will stay here, and between 15 minutes and half hour, one of those pictures will go live on your official account. Let's see if I can see it or no. Yep, it's working, and the software been running for like this account, I think 3 days now, and look at this. I didn't do anything. I just left the software running and was able to pin the pictures online for free, nothing done. And yeah, that's it. So that's how the software works, and you can create multiple boards, have multiple accounts. I recommend use just like one of two, and use Socinator to manipulate this account to drive more traffic. So I can explain the Socinator if you want in upcoming videos. So